I put the Instant Pot on 10 minutes on steam. You notice that? It just kicked on. I added 1 teaspoon of salt to the water, and you notice that it's not that much water in there. So let me put the top on and get it started. Look how fluffy and light it is. And this only took 10 minutes in a steamer, in my Instant Pot steamer. You can make the best rice in the world, and you can make all of those fried rice dishes with this rice. Just put it in the refrigerator, let it be cold when you get ready to make the fried rice. Here's this fluffy rice. See how fluffy it is? I cooked it in an Instant Pot. I steamed it for 10 minutes. And go to my website so you can get all the details. My website is www.bettyburnett, BettyeBurnett.com, and get this recipe. And if you don't have the Instant Pot, you can buy that on my website as well. If you like this video, like and subscribe. That way you know exactly when I post another video.